This is the fighter jet that almost never existed, a rejected prototype that turned into one of the most feared jets on Earth. Meet the FA-18 Hornet, the jet America built by accident and then depended on for decades. In the 1970s, the US Navy needed a miracle. One jet that could fight in the air, attack on the ground, survive brutal carrier landings, and still be cheap to fly. Most designs failed. Then came the lightweight YF-17, a jet nobody believed in. But McDonnell Douglas rebuilt it, strengthened it, redesigned it, and turned it into something completely new. That failed prototype became the FA-18 Hornet. The Hornet wasn't just a fighter jet, it was two jets in one. F equals fighter, A equals attack. It could take off, battle enemy aircraft, destroy ground targets, and land on a moving ship. All in the same mission. It brought next-level tech for its time. Digital fly-by-wire controls. Twin engines for safety over the ocean. A wide bubble cockpit for insane visibility. And the ability to land on a moving ship using just 150 meters of flight deck. It was tough, simple to maintain, and incredibly precise. The Hornet became so reliable and precise that the Blue Angels used it for some of the closest formation flying on the planet. If the jet was even slightly unstable, the pilots would crash instantly, but the Hornet handled every move perfectly. It also proved itself in real combat for decades, from the 1980s all the way through the War on Terror. The crazy part? The FA-18 was supposed to be a temporary fix, but it became the backbone of the US Navy and Marine Corps for almost 40 years. And even today, the original Hornet still flies in countries around the world. The jet that wasn't supposed to live refused to die. If you want more fast, powerful stories about the world's most legendary jets, hit like, subscribe, and comment which jet you want next.